Before I begin my address today, I may be allowed to say a few words in the Tauke language. Oya Osaka, aturang sa katigay na batulebu, wasa ka na mamulebu na Nadi, daw tiko sa kaltalang ating amay na langi, wasa ka na ngonturang na tunawaka, kando kayo sa katigay kito, ni kito may tiko sa kabatikiki muni, yan singenda yan kan may dasong ni tiko na ando na solido dobi, imbala ta sa katigay na nanda bono. Sa kando kayo sa katigay ni kito may tiko, may indo sa katigay na bosa ni baka binunaka, may tiko sa katigay na songo, sa katigay na kenlew. The Prime Minister and Minister for Foreign Affairs, Climate Change, Environment, Civil Service, Information and Public Enterprises, the Honorable Sitiveni Rabuka, First Lady, Madam Sitiveni Rabuka, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Finance, Strategic Planning, National Development and Statistics, the Honorable Biman Prasad, fellow cabinet ministers that are present here today, the heads of missions that are present here today, and members of the diplomatic corps, permanent secretaries and members of the private sector, chair and the board of directors and the CEO of Investment Fiji, a special warm welcome to the outgoing coach of the Flying Fijians, Mr. Simon Rewalui. Thank you, Simon, and it's an honor to see you here today, and please accept our gratitude and thanks for a job well done in France. Event sponsors and partners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, captains of industry, Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to you all. I am honored and privileged to stand here before you as we celebrate the Prime Minister's International Business Awards. Tonight, we will recognize the exceptional achievements of the both large and small businesses and organizations that have consistently demonstrated outstanding business excellence in various sectors. Tonight, we are celebrating your success and invaluable contributions to Fiji's thriving economy. The Prime Minister's Business Awards provides a platform for businesses to benchmark performance and service excellence, inspire innovation, support job creation, and above all, boost employee morale in achieving more. The journey to this moment has not been easy. It has involved months of brainstorming, hard work, and relentless dedication, and the winners tonight are being positioned as role models in Fiji's private sector. Ladies and gentlemen, your government firmly believes that every business, regardless of size, has the potential to contribute to our national growth and become leaders in your respective industries. As remarkable businesses, you have aspired to punch above the weight in every aspect of your venture, so I invite you to continue inspiring and motivating other businesses to propel themselves towards excellence. Entrants for tonight's awards have displayed significant accomplishments in their respective fields and industry sectors. They have displayed the importance of commitment to entrepreneurship, leadership, and social responsibility, are standout from the rest, striving for uniqueness, making meaningful contributions to the development of our communities. This marks the 30th year of the Prime Minister's International Business Awards, and it brings with it the concept of creativity, a willingness to explore new ways of doing business, and the utilization of ever-improving technology to our advantage. The number of applications from various businesses and individuals for different categories this year has been overwhelming. I would like to congratulate all the entrants for tonight's awards on their exceptional achievements and express our heartfelt gratitude to all our sponsors and the independent judges who have played a pivotal role in making tonight's event possible. To the Chair and Board of Directors and CEO of Investment Fiji and the exceptional team at Investment Fiji, thank you for bringing to fruition an event of this magnitude, and especially one adorned with prestigious and high-level awards. This is no small feat. Let us take this opportunity and moment to applaud and express our deepest appreciation to everyone who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that the Prime Minister's International Business Awards will become an enduring source of inspiration for many businesses, inspiring them to benchmark themselves against the highest standards recognized by these awards. We hope that these awards will add value to your brand and instill confidence in your consumers, as they know that you have received the highest business recognition from the Fiji government and the Honorable Prime Minister himself. Not only that, we are confident that these awards serve as a source of inspiration, motivating numerous other businesses to embark on a journey to reach this stage and beyond. And now it is my distinct pleasure and honor to share with you the remarkable journey of the Honorable Prime Minister, Sitiveni Rabuka, who was elected Prime Minister of Fiji on the 24th of December, 2022. His election marked a historic moment as he became the 7th Prime Minister and the first to be elected into Parliament. If there is someone that knows about bleeding and serving about Fiji, it is our Prime Minister, the Honorable Sitiveni Rabuka. Hailing from Drakeniwai in the province of Lakondrove, and arising for education through Budalevu in Taviuni, moving on to Queen Victoria School where he was head boy, he excelled in sports and leadership. Beyond that, he actually was an athlete and participated as a decathlete in the Pacific Games and the Commonwealth Games, and also represented the Fiji, our country Fiji, in rugby. We all know his history in terms of military capability, and the highlight of which was his showcasing of exceptional bravery in Lebanon during 1980, earning him the distinguished honor of the Legion d'Honneur. I hope I pronounced that correctly, sir. In addition to his military achievements, Honorable Rabuka holds a master's degree in military science from the University of Madras in India and an honorary doctorate from the Central Queensland University. Beyond his military and athletic achievements, Honorable ventured into politics, serving as Deputy Prime Minister and Prime Minister, and undertaking various roles as a Commonwealth Secretary General Special Envoy to the Solomon Islands, and also Chairman of the Great Council of Chiefs. It is therefore of no surprise that the Prime Minister speaks boldly when he talks in international circles and talking about a zone of peace for the Pacific. Despite political challenges in 2000 and 2006, the Honorable Prime Minister decided to re-enter politics in 2018. In 2021, he formed the People's Alliance, and along with the coalition partners, some of us who are present here today, were crucial in changing the course of our country's history and creating a new leadership in Fiji. The Honorable Rabuka is a family man married to my auntie and retired school teacher, Madam Sulueti Tiulama Rabuka. They share a legacy of 2 daughters, 2 sons, 7 grandchildren, and 5 great-grandchildren. Ladies and gentlemen, as they say, cometh the hour, cometh the man. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor in introducing the man, the Honorable Sitiveni Rabuka.
Honorable Deputy Prime Minister Manoa Kamkamida, I also would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land, particularly the group of islands that now formed into one island of Denarau. I remember when we came into the then ballroom of the Sheraton to sign the act, which we now call the Land Exchange Act, to allow the grouping together of some islands that were scattered over this area to be reclaimed to make up this flagship of Fiji tourism, Denarau Island. And we acknowledge the grace with which the chiefs of Nadi accepted our proposal to have some of their traditional land all enveloped together for the development of Denarau to be the seat of tourism in the West. Acknowledge the presence of our Minister of Finance, where are you? And Deputy Prime Minister. We come from a very probably forgotten area of Fiji, from Vunulebu. So we keep trying to get on the stage in all these functions where we can say we are from Vunulebu. Your Excellencies, the members of the Diplomatic Corps, High Commissioners and Ambassadors, our host, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Trade, Cooperatives, Small and Medium Enterprises, Communications, the Honorable Manoa Kamkamida, Deputy Prime Minister for Finance, Strategic Planning, National Development and Statistics, the Honorable Professor Biman Prasad. My colleagues, Cabinet Ministers, Permanent Secretaries and members of the Civil Service, members also of the private sector, Chair and Board of Directors and Chief Executive Officer of Investment Fiji, event sponsors and partners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I hope I've covered everyone here. If you think I have not mentioned you, I hope you will remember that those that mind do not matter and those that matter do not mind. That you, Andre? Bula Binaka, and a very good evening to you all. Thank you for joining me at the Prime Minister's International Business Awards and its presentation, which I believe is the most prestigious event in our nation's business calendar. It's an honor for me to be in the company of our country's most innovative, resilient, and successful commercial leaders. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing all my medals tonight, because I have to come with the best I have to acknowledge the best we have. The Prime Minister's International Business Awards is more than just a ceremony. It is a testament to the dedication and hard work of our business community in this island group, in this nation of Fiji. We gather together to celebrate this and the excellence, innovation, and the unwavering spirit of entrepreneurship that you have shown and which have enabled Fiji to be where it is. And I thank you and I congratulate you. These qualities have a crucial role in the growth of Fiji's economy. Don't ask me what the economy is all about. You can ask my Deputy Prime Minister. These qualities have crucial roles in the growth of our economy, and the theme for this year's award is resilience, recovery, and progress. And over the last few years, we know what they mean. You all started your businesses building them to be resilient to whatever comes. Then we went through that testing time. And then you showed recovery. Now you're beginning to show progress. And I congratulate you again. The theme resonates with the challenges of our nation. The challenge that our nations has faced in the recent times. The COVID-19 pandemic brought unprecedented, disruptions to economies worldwide. Fiji was not immune from these. However, the crisis served to showcase the grit, resourcefulness, and ability of you, our business people. Many of you have emerged stronger and more creative. These awards also offer an opportunity for business owners, managers, and employees to set higher standards, boost confidence, and morale. That combination and all the other factors I'll be mentioning produce the additional jobs that we need. The bottom line is, if you do well, the country does well. As I reflect on the history of these awards, which began in 1992, when I was Prime Minister. It started as the Prime Minister's Exporter of the Year Awards. I saw Mark earlier on. He's a previous winner of this award. I'm delighted to say that I had the privilege of leading that push into this new venture of acknowledging our successful businesses and business people in Fiji. Over the years, there has been a transformation in the business landscape, some of it associated with digital technology, some with the need to respond to market changes. So let us also recognize this journey of evolution and growth. The Prime Minister's Award recognizes and rewards enterprises of all sizes across all sectors. There's a focus on those who have not only a record of proven success, but have also reshaped strategies for a sustainable and innovative future. The scope of awards has been expanded into 17 categories, as we were told earlier on, including new ones. The Excellence in Outsourcing Award, Best Crisis Recovery Award, I hope my name is in that one, and the Award for Pacific Horticultural and Agricultural Market Access, PHAMA, or FARMA, plus Agribusiness Innovation Challenge. These additions reflect the dynamic and evolving nature of our economy. There are also 4 new recognition awards to honor businesses that have made a profound impact on our economy and on our nation. These also reflect a commitment to raising standards, creating job opportunities, and enhancing corporate excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate the winners this evening, let us remember that their success not only elevates them, but also inspires and encourages others and us. I cannot overemphasize the critical role of private enterprises in our collective effort to build a vibrant and diversified economy. With us tonight are some of the people who will help us to achieve that. And I thank you all very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let us recognize and indeed celebrate the growth of our economy. Yesterday in Parliament, the Minister for Finance said that there's been a remarkable resurgence by 20% in 2022, surpassing the earlier estimate of 18.6% by the Macroeconomic Committee. This remarkable growth was mainly driven by the robust revival of tourism, and I congratulate all those involved in our tourism industry who are here tonight, and our very own Fiji Airways. The growth story continues in 2023. The latest update from the Reserve Bank projects growth this year to be 8.2%, or a 0.2% increase from the previous official estimate. Tourism earnings, cumulative up to June, have already surpassed a $1 billion mark, a remarkable 12.3% higher than pre-pandemic earnings. This success is primarily attributed to visitor arrivals and higher spending levels. We expect tourism and tourist inflow to approach the pre-pandemic level soon and then continue a long-term growth trend. In addition to tourism's resurgence, data from Investment Fiji paints a very good picture of projected investment flows and business confidence. Investment activity is steadily recovering, driven by higher domestic cement sales and strong demand for credit, especially in the real estate and second home buyer categories. It's estimated that $13.9 billion worth of investment leads are likely to be realized in the next few years. I want to once more praise Fijian business owners and operators for their hard work and ingenuity, for their dedication and ambition. Finally, I offer my congratulations to all the nominees and the winners. We in government look forward to your continued success. It is an essential ingredient in Fiji's success. Let's all work together and cooperate to keep Fiji on the road to prosperity. Vinagaba Lebu, thank you very much and congratulations to the winner tonight. Naka.
it was a bit of a leap of faith. I really wanted to invest in our boys and why we play for the Flying Fijians, why we wear that white jersey, and what's most important for us. So I think I wanted to go back, reconnect with our people, get our boys to understand and why they're playing and who they're playing for. So we wanted to go back to Taviuni. We wanted to get away from, for the last cycle, 2-3 cycles, I think we've been tucked away in hotels, not really connecting with our people. And if we want our people to connect with who we are, we have to connect with them and invest in them. So it was a real goal for us to understand where we're from and who we're playing for. So we went back and we connected, and I think that grew. The players appreciated that. They understood going back to the village, not staying in the hotels, sleeping in. PM came and visited us in Taviuni, and he can attest that we really connected back with our people, and that was the start of the journey and what I wanted to do. So I think it was important that we understood who we were. I think you having expat coaches come in, they've got their expertise, but what's important to us is different to what's important to an All Black, to a Wallaby, to someone that plays for England. I think we have similar values, but we have other values such as family, religion, faith. And I think that was a really important part of our journey, which helped us with our success.
Thank you so much. And I think that was really great, because I feel when you're taking them back and then just building that relationship with the community, we felt that spirit right across the World Cup. I tell you, many of us could not go to work, not go to school at all, because we just had to be there, because we felt very, very connected with the boys. I mean, having said that, you had many, many interesting characters on the team. A few of them we followed on social media as well, just sharing that journey with everyone. If you don't mind just sharing with us a few, maybe 2 or 3 key players you felt that kind of encompassed that spirit that you felt and helped build the development towards the World Cup.
I think it's pretty easy. A lot of them are on social media. So the players like Penny Matawalu, Jutawani Ngolo, they're I don't want to say the team cloud, but they're the ones that build the spirit. They've got the energy all the time. They're bringing it. They're there, good or bad. They're building up the team. Penny was huge for us. Jutawani Ngolo was huge. So they were there always with a smile, getting the energy up. Faith-wise, religious, Masaki Dongi was big for us. He drove the team in terms of what is important, our values as Fijians. And in terms of leadership, we had a great leadership group. We had Weiss, Naithalevu, Levani Botia. We had a great group that right from the start we invested in them and asked them to lead the team. Yeah. We wanted them to be proactive, and that grew throughout the campaign. So we had. It was a great squad. They grew as the tournament came on, and they got stronger and stronger. And that's one of the proudest moments for me, just seeing the group grow.
Oh, well, then with all of that, with everyone that was supporting you to bring that team together, what would you say was one of the most difficult decisions you had to make as a coach building up to the World Cup?
Obviously, probably team selection. We started with 45 in Taviuni, and we had to get down to 33. So we invested in that group, and any one of those 45 could have made the team, but we had to make tough decisions. We had to cut some players. It was really tough. We had some tough conversations. But we thought we took the best team to the World Cup. We thought we took the team that was going to do us proud. Any one of the 45 could do us proud, but probably team selection was the hardest. It's always a hard thing when you invest so much as an individual.
The amount of talent.
Yeah, Fiji's never got a shortage of talent. So it's just a matter of, that's probably the toughest decision as a head coach, to tell players that they're not involved or they're not playing.
Yeah. When you finally had the selection and were going into the World Cup, or just before, what was the key message to the boys to get them ready for not just the first game, but just going into the quarterfinals as well?
As the team grew, they took on that leadership themselves. So we wanted them to grow. We wanted them to take that leadership and have that team. So our message right from the start was that we're not going there to make up the numbers. We want to make Fiji proud. We want to, and we felt the support.
And we're all proud.
Oh,
we're still proud, right? Yeah. Big round of applause, come on.
So with that support, we felt it worldwide. So we felt the support that we were getting from Fiji. It was huge. We could feel the building. And with the boys' performance and our investment into what we were doing and showing who we are as Fijians, I think we became everyone's second favourite team if you weren't supporting Fiji. So at the World Cup, when teams were knocked out, when their team weren't playing, they were flying Fijian supporters. So that was huge, and we really appreciated it.
I wanted to ask, because a lot of what we saw was just what we saw, out in the field, and I'm sure that was very memorable for all of us. But there may have been some things, that happened off the field. I'm sure the community there came on to support you guys. Any most memorable moment from what happened off the field?
Coaching the Flying Fijians is a memorable moment every day. You've got some interesting characters, and sometimes you've got to rein them in, sometimes you've got to let them go. But I think every day, the proudest thing for me as a coach was seeing them grow every day. Mm. So as a team, as individuals, we wanted them to express themselves. We want them to be limited. So we said right from the start, who are we? We're the Flying Fijians, who we want to be. We want to represent Fiji and make every one of you, every Fijian, proud of who we are and our performance on the field. So we obviously we wanted to go further. We beat Tier 1 nations, but that was the divine, letting them express themselves, and that growth every day was my proudest moment, and it's something I'll remember forever.
Fantastic. I know there's no regrets, because I've heard that you said that there are no regrets from the build-up and also during the World Cup. But just moving forward, any advice for the new coach in building the team?
Not really any advice for that. The coach, they've got to be themselves, and they've got to go out, but they've got to remember who we're playing for. If it's an expat, they've got to understand it's a Fijian team. It's who we are as a Fiji, what's important to us. What's important to us is not the same as other people, and when we embrace what's important for us, a happy Fijian is a successful Fijian. And I think that's in any sector. It's not just rugby, it could be business, it could be school, it could be education, those sort of things. We have to embrace who we are. So there was no regrets from this campaign. When I came into the role, it was a short runway. We picked 2 or 3 things that were really important for us, and we really invested into those. So no regrets.
Thank you so much. Well, I guess the question on everyone's mind at the moment is, what next for Mr. Raiwalui? What you got happening next for you?
For myself?
Yes.
I'm flying back to home tomorrow, back to Australia, but I'm joining World Rugby, so I'm going to be
Congratulations.
GM of high performance. So it's something that I really invested in, is the development and pathways of rugby. So I'll be working worldwide, but like I said last night at the TopX conference, hopefully one day I'll be back in Fiji.
We hope so too, that you will be back. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a big round of applause. Simon Raiwalui, we thank you so much. Before I excuse you from the stage, I'd like to ask your beautiful wife to join us on stage as well, because we'd love to present the both of you with a small token of appreciation.
Up you come, Mel.
To present the big Vinaka Bakalevu from us, can I kindly request the Honourable Minister for Youth and Sports? Honourable Minister, sir, please, if you can come forward to present this gift. Let's give Simon and Helen a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing compared to everything that you've done for us, but I hope it expresses our sincere gratitude and well wishes. Please, another big round of applause, please. Thank you. Thank you again, Mr. Raiwalu, for agreeing to share with us a few of those highlights from the journey to the World Cup. Ladies and gentlemen, in a moment we will commence with the awards ceremony, and we will start with the 9 special category awards. At this time, I kindly request the assistance of our colleagues here. We'll clear the stage so we can be sure that we have enough space for those of you, the winners, who will be coming up on stage to receive the awards. While we are preparing for that, a quick housekeeping mention for all the sponsors and also for the winners who will be coming up onto the stage tonight. This is just so that there's an easy movement on and off the stage, and we don't all crowd around here. So if you're coming up to announce the names of the winners, our sponsors, please, if you can just use the stairs just to my left, right? And also the winners as well. You'll come up here and we'll go out at the end of the stage there. To our sponsors, where you will be announcing the winners, will we do that right here? I'm happy to share the podium with you. Our winners, a kind request, upon receiving your award, please don't forget to pause and big smile so we can capture this very, very special moment. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be presenting the first set of 5 awards in this segment. At this juncture, I kindly request the Investment Fiji, Madam Chair, please to escort the Honourable Prime Minister onto the stage for the 5 award presentations. Ladies and gentlemen, the first special category award is the Excellence in Innovation Award. This category recognizes innovative products or services developed by introducing and investing new ideas, workflows, methodologies, strategies that increase productivity and generate greater output by way of growth and profitability. The award is open to all businesses and will go to an organization that has shaken up their sector with their fresh thinking and innovative practices. To announce the winner of this award, I'd like to welcome the Total Energies Marketing Fiji Pte Limited Managing Director, Mr. Dennis Michael Kikong, onto the stage to announce the winner and also to present the award. I apologize, Mr. Dennis, if I mispronounced your name. Total Energies is a broad energy company that produces and markets fuels, natural gas, and electricity. Our 100,000 employees are committed to better energy that is more affordable, more reliable, cleaner, and accessible to as many people as possible. Active in more than 130 countries, our ambition is to become the responsible energy major. Total Energies Marketing has been operating in Fiji since 2006 with a local footprint dating back to 1928. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Excellence in Innovation Award is
winner of the Excellence in Innovation Award is Vodafone Fiji Pte. Limited.
Let's give Vodafone another big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Vodafone. And we thank also Mr. Dennis. Thank you sincerely for coming up to announce the winner and assist with the presentation of the award. Ladies and gentlemen, the second special category award is the Excellence in eCommerce Transformation Award. This category recognizes a business that has adopted an integrated digital commerce strategy, technology, and has transformed its business model and culture to make its products accessible digitally, both locally and internationally. To assist in presenting the award and to announce the winner, Life Insurance Corporation of India General Manager, Mr. Pradeep Shenoy. Thank you so much, Mr. Pradeep. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the Excellence in eCommerce Transformation Award is
the winner of the Excellence in eCommerce Transformation Award is Fiji Ports Corporation Pte. Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we give Fiji Ports another big round of applause? Our third special category award is the Excellence in Service Award. This category recognizes the highest level of service excellence, which consistently demonstrates excellence in teamwork and collaboration with its customers, and has proven its willingness to excel in its responsiveness to its customers with great competencies and earned respect in the community. To announce the winner of this award, we have from Swire Shipping, the Regional Manager, Pacific Islands, Mr. Alex Patterson. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Excellence in Service Award is
Fiji Airways.
Congratulations again, Fiji Airways, and thank you also for the great giveaways that we have tonight. So I hope you've all scanned the QR code. Ladies and gentlemen, please another big round of applause for Fiji Airways. The fourth special category award is the Primary Industry Business Excellence Award. This category recognizes a business that has outstanding export results in the agriculture, forestry or fisheries industry through sustainable value-added success. The award aims to showcase innovation and adaptability across the primary industry sectors. To announce the winner of this award, we welcome the Governor of the Reserve Bank of Fiji, Mr. Arif Ali, onto the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Primary Industry Business Excellence Award is
the winner is Tropic Woods.
Also thank the Governor of RBF for assisting with the presentation and announcing the winner. Let's give Tropic Wood another big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, we continue on to the special category, with the special category awards. The fifth special category award is the Executive of the Year Award. This category is open to all business leaders and an executive who has shown outstanding initiative, boldness, and imagination in the enterprise, sound management practices, and demonstrates sustainable growth combined with a commercial success that is exceptional for the size of the business. We have from Telecom Fiji Limited, Mr. Charles Gounder, the CEO. With that, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Executive Award is
Mr. Andre Wilson.
Madam Chair. Ladies and gentlemen, to continue with the award ceremony, the sixth special category award is the Best Sustainability Initiative Award. This category is open to all businesses, whether it's going carbon neutral, reducing plastic consumption, or other sustainable initiatives. The aim is to recognize the organizations that are putting the planet first. To announce the winner of this award, I call upon the Chief Executive Officer of Golden Manufacturers Fiji Limited, Mr. Ram Bajakal, onto the stage. Golden Manufacturers Pte. Limited's secret to success is service, quality, and sustainability. Throughout its 40 years in operations, such traits have provided the foundations to enable the company to build a client list that today includes an array of world-renowned brands. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Best Sustainability Initiative Award is
Waste Recyclers Fiji Limited.
Waste Recyclers Fiji Limited, and thank you so much, Mr. Bajakal, for announcing the winner. The 7th Special Category Award is the Excellence in Outsourcing Award. This category will recognize the outstanding performance of an organization in the outsourcing industry that have deployed strategic and innovative solutions to offer high-value service to their accounts. To announce the winner of this award, I welcome onto the stage Vodafone Fiji Limited Chief Executive Officer Eleanor Biukoto. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Excellence in Outsourcing Award is
the winner of the Excellence in Outsourcing Award is Pacific Centacom Fiji Limited.
Thank you, and congratulations, Pacific Centacom Fiji Pte. Limited. And a big thank you to CEO Vodafone for announcing the winner. Our 8th Special Category Award is the Best Crisis Recovery Initiative Award. The pandemic has presented innumerable challenges to Fijian businesses, but we've also seen countless examples of innovation and adaptation in the face of these difficulties. This category is open to all, which recognizes organizations who have responded to the COVID-19 crisis with intelligence, creativity, and outstanding teamwork. To announce the winner of this award, I call upon the Chief Executive Officer, Tropic Wood Industries Limited, Mr. Vimlesh Kumar, onto the stage. Oh, Mr. Vakalarambore, please, if you can join us on stage. Thank you so much. With that, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this award is
the winner of the Best Crisis Recovery Initiative Award is Fiji Ports Corporation.
Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the 9th Special Category Award is the Farmer Plus Agribusiness Innovation Challenge. This challenge award aims to showcase and recognize individuals, companies, groups, or institutions that are demonstrating a future-oriented vision for the agri-food sector and its supporting services in Fiji. Drawing on the unique production potential of Fiji, the award is searching for ambition, creativity, and innovation. To announce the winner of this award, I would like to call upon His Excellency Mr. Ewan McDonnell, the Australian High Commissioner to Fiji and Special Envoy for the Pacific and Regional Affairs, onto the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Farmer Plus Agribusiness Innovation Challenge is
The winner of the Agribusiness Innovation Challenge Award is Yanyu Limited.
Let's give the winner of the Farmer Plus Program Agribusiness Innovation Challenge Award, Yano Limited, another big round of applause. Congratulations. And we thank His Excellency for presenting the award. Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister, Madam Chair. I know we're giving you both a very good workout this evening. Thank you for your understanding. Ladies and gentlemen, Let's give them a big round of applause to all our winners. Our 9 awards have already been presented this evening. Congratulations to all of you. And please don't go away. We still have the 3 general award categories, the recognition award, and one that we've all been waiting for is the Fiji Water Supreme Award winner. But now, more entertainment coming your way from the Mata Dance Group. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the first general category award is the Premier Small Business Operating Internationally Award. This award category recognizes a company operating locally or internationally with sales of less than 1 million Fiji dollars. SMEs play a huge role in our thriving economy, and this is the ideal category to highlight their success and appreciate their contribution to the economy. The award will be presented to a company that emerged newly into the market and had strongly developed their projects and services while managing to thrive due to their uniqueness and ability to penetrate the international markets through exports. To announce the winner of this award, I'd like to invite the DHL Express Fiji representative, Mr. Dharmesh Mani, to come forward. Thank you, Mr. Mani. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Premier Small Business Operating Internationally Award is
Zona Lip United.
Zona United again, ladies and gentlemen. They've scooped the Premier Small Business Operating Internationally Award, and we thank also Mr. Mani for announcing the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, the second general award category in the is the Premier Medium Business Operating Internationally Award. This category recognizes a company operating locally and internationally with sales between $1 million Fiji dollars and $5 million Fiji dollars to $5 million Fiji dollars. The award will be presented to an organization that has developed and demonstrated significant growth through creativity and developed uniqueness in quality, presentation, and repertoire of the introduction of products and services to market, including exports. To announce the winner, Westpac Fiji CEO, Mr. Shane Smith. Please, a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Premier Medium Business Operating Internationally Award is
CBS Power Solutions.
Solutions Fiji PTE Limited, ladies and gentlemen, they have the Premier Medium Business Operating Internationally Award. Congratulations to all of you. And also we thank Mr. Smith for announcing the winner of this category. Let's give our winners so far another big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. And we also thank all the sponsors sincerely, the category sponsors sincerely for their support. Ladies and gentlemen, the third and final general category award is the Premier Large Business Operating Internationally Award. This category recognizes a company operating locally or internationally with sales exceeding 5 million Fiji dollars. The winner must have demonstrated a significant contribution towards the growth of the economy through export, a level of investment, and has engaged workforce with an innovative business strategy and clear vision to pave its way into the future. To announce the winner of this award, I invite BSP Financial Group Limited General Manager Corporate and Commercial, Mr. Maikash Ali, onto the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Premier Large Business Operating Internationally Award is
Congratulations, Tropicoat Industries.
Tropicwood Industries Limited. Let's give them another big round of applause, please. We also thank Mr. Ali. Thank you so much, sir, for announcing the winner and assisting with the presentation tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the presentation of the 3 awards for the general category. We move immediately into the next category, which is the presentation of the 4 recognition awards. We're counting down. It's the last 4 before we get to the main awards tonight, ladies and gentlemen. This year, the Prime Minister's International Business Awards will have 4 recognition awards. These recognition awards will motivate businesses to continue to raise standards, enhance corporate excellence, and innovation. We invite, ladies and gentlemen, from the Central Manufacturing Company Limited, trading as British American Tobacco, the General Manager, Mr. Sam Domo, and also the Head of Finance, Mr. Rahul Prakash, to come up on stage to present, or to announce the winner and help with the presentation of this award. They will be here to assist with presenting all the awards in this category. Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient of the first recognition award is
Pacific Fishing Company Proprietary Limited.
Another big round of applause for Port Denarau Marina. The recipient of the fourth and final recognition award goes to
Douglas Pharmaceutical Fiji.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we please give Sophia a big round of applause, and thank you, Nementale, our house band this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move to the final award for the night, I once again would like to thank all our sponsors, all our category sponsors for their support. I extend an apology to Mr. Hall from Golden Manufacturers. I apologize, sir. Thank you so much for coming up. Just an apology from our end. I know you came up here to present the award, but we appreciate your understanding, and thank you, Mr. Bajikal. Also, an extension of our apologies to Mr. Vakalalambore from Tropic Wood. Thank you so much for your understanding, sir, and coming up to present. Fortunately, we had another name, but thank you for being such great sports. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the eagerly anticipated moment has arrived. We're on to the final award for tonight. It is the Supreme Award. And after this, we won't inconvenience the Honorable Prime Minister. He no longer has to come onto the stage, but we hope he'll make his way to the dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite the Madam Chair and also the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Kamikamida, to accompany the Honorable PM onto the stage for this final award. Before we announce the winner of the final award, a kind request to all the winners for the various categories, the 16 that we've already announced. We ask that while we have the Honorable Prime Minister on the stage, immediately after this, can we ask a representative from each of the winning organizations, if you can come up with your trophy or plaque and come for the group photograph while we have the Honorable Prime Minister. So again, a kind request to all the winners who have been announced already, the 16. Immediately after this, we ask for the group photo with all the winners before we move to the final piece of formality for this evening. Please, if you can prepare yourselves accordingly. Ladies and gentlemen, the eagerly anticipated moment has arrived, marking the culmination of the Prime Minister's International Business Awards as we unveil the recipient of the Supreme Award. The Supreme Award will be presented to an overall winner that has stood out across all the categories. This award is not directly entered, but selected from all applications, recognizing they have excelled in every part of the awards criteria. The winner will have demonstrated commercial success and outlined benefits across multiple facets, including job creation, innovation, service excellence, social responsibilities, adaptation, resilience, and has created a thriving community for the future by building skills to sustainably drive growth and social cohesion. To announce the winner of this award, I call upon the Assistant General Counsel, Marigold Moody, onto the stage.
These clouds create the purest rain on earth. It falls on a remote tropical island in search of nature's best filter, ancient volcanic rock. It's not just water, it's Fiji water.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we give Fiji Water a big round of applause? Sponsor for our Supreme Award this evening. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Supreme Award is
Fiji Airways.
A strategic national asset, Fiji Airways has earned the prestigious Supreme Award, a testament to its remarkable journey through the challenges presented by the global pandemic, celebrating a decade of consistent growth with 1.7 million passengers in 2019, contributing over 65% of Fiji arrivals. Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause for Fiji Airways. The winners from the other categories, please, if you can make your way onto the stage now. We ask the Honorable Prime Minister and both the Honorable Deputy Prime Ministers and the Chair to remain on stage. At this time, can we extend our sincere gratitude to Fiji Water for the Supreme Award category this evening. Let's give them a big round of applause. Request to all our winners, if you can make your way onto the stage, please. Thank you so much. presenting all the awards. We also thank the Honorable Biman Prasad and the Honorable Manwa Kamikamida. Thank you so much for presenting the awards as well. The Supreme Award. Ladies and gentlemen, please can we give them another big round of applause? As they return to their seats, we have a final piece of formality for us to close things off. Right after that formality, we'll have some entertainment, and then we will find out the winners of that lucky draw. But now I'd like to invite Madam Chair for Investment Fiji. Please put your hands together for Jenny Sito.
I think so. What a night! Prime Minister and Minister for Foreign Affairs, Climate Change and Environment, Civil Service, Information and Public Enterprises, the Honorable Sitiveni Rabuka, and Madam Sulueti Tuiloma Rabuka. Deputy Prime Ministers, the Honorable Mano Kamikamida, and Honorable Biman Prasad, and Dr. Rajni Chand. Cabinet Ministers, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Permanent Secretaries, IBA Award entrants, and members of the private sector. Board of Directors of Investment Fiji and CEO Mr. Kamal Chetty, event sponsors and partners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely delighted to have the honor in delivering the vote of thanks for the most prestigious award on our calendar, the Prime Minister's International Business Awards, which began 3 decades ago. This is to recognize businesses that have achieved extraordinary results and elevated Fiji's competitiveness in the global economy. The Prime Minister's International Business Awards provides another level of excitement as we are able to recognize the enormous contribution of the businesses and entrepreneurs. Firstly, on all our behalf, I have the pleasure to extend our heartfelt appreciation to tonight's chief guest, the Honorable Prime Minister. Your presence here today, Honorable Prime Minister, has not only added immense value to our most significant event, but it will also leave a great impression on the minds of the established, budding, inspiring, as well as resilient business community. For me personally as well, Prime Minister, I learned a number of stories, the first for you, that you told to me while we were on stage. For example, the Prime Minister was the first mobile holder for the Vodafone Group. So congratulations, Prime Minister. And he was the first of many as well, MasterCard, and he also had a hand in Tropic Woods and so forth. So, Prime Minister, thank you very much. You go back with us a long way in history. I would also like to express our sincere gratitude to the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Trade, Cooperatives, Small and Medium Enterprises and Communication, the Honorable Mano Kamikamida. Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, your dedication and commitment to fostering a vibrant business environment and supporting our entrepreneurs is admirable, and we are grateful for your valuable presence here tonight. May I also take this opportunity, Deputy Prime Minister, to thank you for so willingly stepping in to help us at Investment Fiji meet investors and getting projects off the ground. We are extremely grateful, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister. I also extend our sincere gratitude to the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Finance, Strategic Planning, National Development and Statistics, Honorable Biman Prasad. Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, you play a critical role in shaping fiscal policies that drive growth in businesses and hence our economy, and we are thankful for your valuable presence here tonight. A special thank you to all our sponsors and partners for their generous support, without whom the Prime Minister's International Business Awards would not have been so successful. I acknowledge and appreciate the collaboration with each sponsor and partner, underscoring the collective efforts required to make this event a truly remarkable and impactful occasion. On this note, I would also like to thank our former Flying Fijian coach, Simon, for accepting the invitation. And in particular, I must thank Mrs. Rawalui as well, who has over the years supported our coach. So thank you very much, Melanie, thank you. We hope you both are able to spend some time the rest of the few days in Fiji to enjoy some well-earned leave. And we have to thank you, Simon, for giving up your leave and coming back to us tonight to do the Q&A with us. So thank you very much. So firstly, to our major sponsor, Natural Waters of VTPT Limited, or Fiji Water as we know them, thank you for your continued generosity in sponsoring the Supreme Award. Also, sincere appreciation to the sponsors of the General Awards category, DHL Express, Fiji PT Limited for the Premier Small Business Operating Internationally Award, to Westpac Fiji for the Premier Medium Business Operating International Award, to BSP Financial Group Limited for the Premier Large Business Operating Internationally Award. And for our special awards category, we thank Total Energies Marketing Fiji PT Limited for the Excellence in Innovation Award, to Life Insurance Corporation of India for the Excellence in eCommerce Transformation Award, to Swai Shipping Excellence in Service Award, Reserve Bank of Fiji, the Primary Industry Business Award, Telecom Fiji PT Limited for the Executive of the Year Award, Golden Manufacturers PT Limited for the Best Sustainability Initiative Award, Vodafone Fiji PT Limited Excellence in Outsourcing Award, and Tropic Wood Industries Limited for the Best Crisis Recovery Initiative Award. And to our recognition awards category, British American Tobacco, thank you for sponsoring 4 recognition awards for sectors across all categories. For the Agri-Business Innovation Challenge, Pacific Horticulture and Agriculture Market Access Farmer Plus, thank you Farmer Plus, they've been a great partner with us in advancing our work in the area of agriculture. And to our event partners, we are also grateful for the collaboration with you. HFC Bank, Victoria Wines, Pure Fiji, Fiji Carver, Williams & Gosling, All Freight Logistics, Fiji Airways. Can you please join me in thanking them in the usual manner? And special gratitude to Sheraton Fiji Golf and Beach and Wested Resorts, and to the team, the entire team, for accommodating our needs and playing an integral role in the success of the awards tonight. A sincere appreciation is also extended to our vendors and suppliers whose creativity and commitment have transformed this event into the grand display we witnessed tonight. Encore Events, CNC Solutions, Fiji Broadcasting Corporation, Fiji Sun Party and Events, Peter's Picture, Isolé Events, and Nem Tale and Sapphire, thank you so much for your music, the Mata Dance Group, and Digital Bureau PT Limited. Your collaborative efforts have added a touch of magic to every detail, turning our vision from the Investment Fiji team into a vibrant reality tonight. So thank you very much. Each one of you played a crucial role in crafting the ambience of elegance and celebration which we are witnessing tonight. And importantly, very importantly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed panel of judges. Your expertise, impartiality, and dedication to the meticulous evaluation process have been crucial in ensuring the credibility and prestige of the awards. We are very grateful for the time and effort you have invested in this process. Please join me in thanking the judges. And of course, we would like to say, Vindaka Vakalevu, to all the entrants who submitted their applications with such creativity, passion, and dedication. We sincerely appreciate the diligence you have demonstrated in your submissions. Your commitment to excellence is evident. We are truly grateful for your participation. So tonight at this prodigious award ceremony, I would like to sincerely congratulate the stars, our winners. Each of you has demonstrated unwavering commitment, resilience, recovery, progress, innovation, and exceptional business astuteness, strengths and entrepreneurship that have not only propelled you to victory, but have also inspired us all. Congratulations again. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, as we congratulate all our winners for their well-deserved victories, let us celebrate with them and be part of their incredible journey and celebrate the spirit of achievement, collaboration, and excellence as we look forward to even greater milestones in the years to come. To all our 600 plus guests, including our government officials, diplomatic representatives, leaders from the private sector, sponsors, event partners, your participation has made the Prime Minister's International Business Awards truly special. We are thankful for your time and attention. Thank you very much. Last but not least, I would like to acknowledge and express the board's gratitude to all our Investment Fiji staff, led by Chief Executive Officer Kamal Chetty and Head of Regional and Trade Development Lisala Daya, who have been working tirelessly to successfully execute today's event. The team's collective efforts, creativity, and passion for excellence have made today's event an astounding success. So please join me in thanking our great team at Investment Fiji. Thank you very much. I'll let Michelle wrap up the evening, and please stay on and enjoy. We have a lovely band, and I think the Prime Minister and Mrs. Rabuka are very keen to dance as well. So we look forward to further exercise by the Prime Minister on the dance floor. Thank you very much.